Good morning, dear children. Welcome to EVS class today. Now we are going to do the third and the last part of our chapter, From the Window. Before we start with the chapter, I would like to discuss the answers of two questions that I gave you last day. मैंने 2 questions दिए थे, आपसे कहा था आंसर फाइंड करने के लिए. The first question was, what is the name of the longest sea bridge in India? The correct answer is Bandra Worli Sea Link. Okay, this is the correct answer. Many children have written Pambam Bridge लिखा है. वो longest sea bridge नहीं था. That was India's first sea bridge. Okay, so you can correct it. Second question was, where is the longest railway tunnel in India? Longest railway tunnel of India. Where is it? And how long is it? The correct answer is the 11-kilometer long railway tunnel. How long is it? 11 kilometer. And it is at Pir Panjal mountain range in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, the tunnel doesn't have any name. It is at, कहाँ पर है वो? पीर पंजल माउंटेन रेंज के थ्रू गई है and it is in Jammu and Kashmir. So those who have done it correctly, well done, learn it, and those who have made any mistake, they can correct their mistakes. So now we'll continue with the chapter. Omana was going to Kerala to meet her grandmother. Now it is night. We have also started packing up. The train will reach Kottayam in about 3 hours. That is where we have to get off. Get off means get down. The name of the particular place where they are going is Kottayam, and it is only 3 hours for their journey. For their destination to come, I'm sorry. Tonight we will go to Valiamma's house. Tomorrow we will take the bus that will take us to Amamma's village. We all are quite tired. After all, we have been on the train for 2 days. They are on the train for 2 days. It is a very long journey, so they are very tired. What a long journey it has been. We had a lot of fun. I will put my diary away now and I'll write again after we reach Amamma's house. So she's going to her Amamma's house, grandmother's house, and she's saying that now she's going to stop with the diary writing and she's waiting for the station to come. So at last her station is about to come. Children, in this 2 वर्ड आए हैं, वलियम्मा एंड अम्मम्मा. These are the names of relations in Malayalam language. ये मलयालम लैंग्वेज के वर्ड्स हैं. You have studied about different relations. हमने पढ़े हुए हैं in earlier classes, and you have studied in English and Hindi. Now this is in Malayalam. Today we will not take up these words. We'll take up these relations in the next सेशन. एंड नेक्स्ट हमारे जो पीरियड होगा EVS का, उसमें हम डिफरेंट रिलेशंस के बारे में ही पढ़ेंगे इन इंग्लिश, हिंदी एंड इन मलयालम ऑल्सो. आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट सम ऑफ यू हु इज़ मलयालम टू हेल्प अस विद अ वीडियो इन दिस रिगार्ड. आई विल टॉक टू यू पर्सनली. ओके, सो विद दैट दिस लेसन इज ओवर. नाउ रिगार्डिंग द सेम थिंग, रिलेशंस के बारे में पूछा था. ये आप अपनी भाषा में बता सकते हो. इफ़ यू हैव सम अदर मदर टंग, लाइक देयर आर सम चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम केरला ऑल्सो इन आवर क्लास, दे कैन टेल इन देयर लैंग्वेज. वॉट डू यू कॉल देम? योर मदर्स सिस्टर. मम्मी की सिस्टर को क्या कहते हैं हम? मासी कहते हैं. ओके, सो वी कॉल हर मासी. या इंग्लिश में आंटी. आंट कहते हैं. योर मदर्स मदर, ग्रैंड मदर, मैटरनल ग्रैंड मदर कहते हैं. मम्मी की मम्मी, नानी को कहते हैं ग्रैंड मदर ही कहते हैं. मैटरनल कह सकते हैं क्योंकि वो मम्मी की मम्मी है. फादर्स सिस्टर, पापा की सिस्टर को क्या कहते हैं? आंट. वी कॉल हर आंट या बुआ या फूफू भी कहते हैं बहुत सी भाषा. योर फादर्स मदर, अगेन ग्रैंड मदर. पापा की मम्मी इज़ ऑल्सो ग्रैंड मदर, दादी कहते हैं जिनको, या इंग्लिश में क्योंकि मम्मी की मम्मी पापा की मम्मी दोनों के लिए सेम वर्ड है, तो फादर्स मदर को वी कैन ऑल्सो से पैटर्नल ग्रैंड मदर. ओके, सो I hope you must be able to write down these answers, so only I have not written here. Now after this, because in this chapter we are studying about languages of different places in India, we will continue with the languages of different states and union territories of India. ओके, डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज, मेन लैंग्वेज यहाँ पर आपको लर्न करनी है हर एक जगह की क्या क्या मेन लैंग्वेज होती है. एंड यू विल ऑल्सो राइट इन योर कॉपी. ओके, लाइक जम्मू एंड कश्मीर मेन लैंग्वेज इज कश्मीरी. अदर लैंग्वेजेस आर ऑल्सो स्पोकन देयर, बट we are talking right now, we are talking only about the main language. Jammu and Kashmir, Kashmiri is the main language. Himachal Pradesh, Hindi. Punjab, Punjabi. Now Uttarakhand, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, and all these places main language is Hindi. Jharkhand also Hindi, West Bengal Bengali, Sikkim Nepali, Assam Assamese, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya. What is their main language? Bengali. Manipur Manipuri, Odisha Oriya, Maharashtra Marathi, Gujarat Gujarati, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, both places Gujarati is their main language. गोवा की मेन लैंग्वेज हमने पढ़ा है कोंकणी. कर्नाटका कन्नड़ आंध्र प्रदेश तेलुगु, केरला एंड लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड्स मलयालम, तमिलनाडु तमिल, पुडुचेरी तमिल, अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड्स बंगाली. So these are the main languages of these places. You will write them down in your copy and then submit your work and learn all these things. These will add to your general knowledge about our country. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, children.